Hey guys, welcome back to Ryujinx. I am your host Javon, and today we're back with a brand new video. Today I'll be showing you guys how to run Fire Emblem Warriors True Hopes, the True Hopes demo on the PC. Basically, we're doing through the emulator of Yuzu and Ryujinx. Unfortunately, Yuzu's emulator does not work with the game. So we actually have to switch over to Ryujinx this time around, which I will leave a link in the description too, so that you can play this game, because when you do it with the Yuzu emulator you just get a black screen, but we simply click out of that because it doesn't work. I will leave a link for this. Now this Ryujinx emulator build here that I'm going to put in the link down below, this is for the Vulkan backend, which actually helps the game tremendously in terms of how it plays out, because it can have a lot of issues, man, in terms of with just OpenGL, especially on AMD. If you have AMD and you're running this game, you're probably in trouble, to be honest with you. But Vulkan runs a lot better. I tested it previously just now, and it runs a lot better than how this one attempted to. So we can live with this. So we're just letting the game boot in real fast. But once again, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and stick around for more epic content. If you guys enjoy seeing these little videos I do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. It really helps me out on the channel. I'm just going to let that load in real fast. It takes some time, a little bit longer than Yuzu does, but I just want you to see that it actually shows something, some sign of something that it runs. I'll do the video next showing you guys the actual gameplay. But look, as you can see, it's loading in now, and it doesn't load in for me, but it does load in, and as you can see at the bottom, it is using the Vulkan backend. Let me show you my settings real quick. And this is how the game runs. So it is playable on Ryujinx if you can't get it on Yuzu at this point in time. But I will see you guys next time, where I'll actually show you the full video of me testing out the game itself. I'll see you guys in a bit.